In today's video we will walk you through the overview, specification and working of one of the customized PLC-operated process panel available at Radical TechArt. So let's quickly jump over to overview of the controller. As you can see, the whole setup is mounted in ABS box, which makes the panel sturdy and light in weight. Note that user can opt for different enclosures other than ABS box like SS304 or SS316, MS enclosure or Flameproof enclosure at extra cost. Without any further ado, let's see that what all components or devices are used in this panel. So the first thing we can see is the HMI screen, which is used to operate the panel. Next, if we open the lid, then we can see the PLC, which can also be referred as the mind of the panel, as all the operations are done here in this PLC. Here in the panel, you can also see some other components like MCB and terminal connectors, which helps in smooth operation. So this was about the all components that are present in the current panel. Here viewers should note that this panel is custom made, so we can add components as per requirement. Like for example, if we are wanting to control any device on the basis of data obtained from the panel, then we can add the relay card setup for controlling. Next, if we are wanting to log the data of the values obtained, then there can be the provision of pen drive or any kind of data log tool. Now let us understand that what all parameters are available in this particular panel and how the data is obtained. So viewers, talking about the overview, then this panel indicates the air velocity value, which is obtained from two variables, temperature and differential pressure. This panel has a 2-channel 4-20 mA analog input available. Wiring connection of the panel can be seen on the screen right now. After doing all the connections, let us now jump over to the parameters available in this panel. As you can see, on home screen there are 3 real-time values available for temperature, differential pressure and air velocity. Next we can see the setting button by pressing which we will be guided to temperature setting screen. Here user can select the 0 and span value of the 4 to 20 mA input. User can also put the offset value in case input given to panel has a little drift in it. Next, by pressing the right arrow, user will be guided to differential pressure setting, where all the options available are similar to temperature setting. Then by again pressing the right arrow, user will be guided to last parameter setting page, where we can find option to change the differential pressure device constant, and here we can also set the alarm set point value for maximum and minimum air velocity. So this was about the parameters that are available in the panel. Next we will see the working. So for working tutorial, we have 2 analog input sources which are already connected to panel. We have set the range as per requirement, and we have also set the high alarm value and low alarm value. Now by simulating the current, we can see that the values changes, and as the value reaches the high alarm point, it shows the warning message as shown right now. Similarly, for low alarm value, it will also show the similar warning message. Next, if we changing the device constant, then we can see that the air velocity value also changes as per the selected device constant value. So this was about the working of the PLC-operated process panel. This panels can be designed in such a way that it can be easily configured with your existing SCADA system. Further advantage of this PLC-operated process panels is that there are any changes on user side, they can be easily applied. Talking about the usage, then this type of PLC-operated panels are highly customizable and can be used in many industries to automate their processes. Some industries where this type of panels are commonly used are manufacturing. PLCs are extensively used in manufacturing industries such as automotive, electronics, food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, and consumer goods. They control assembly lines, robotic operations, packaging machines, and more. Utilities. PLCs play a vital role in utility sectors like water treatment plants, wastewater management, power generation, both conventional and renewable energy, and HVAC systems for efficient control and monitoring. Building automation. They are used in building management systems, BMS, to control lighting, HVAC, access control, and fire safety systems, ensuring energy efficiency and occupant safety. Transportation. PLCs manage processes in transportation systems such as railway signaling, airport baggage handling systems, traffic lights, and vehicle assembly lines. Oil and gas. PLC-operated panels are essential in oil refineries, pipeline networks, offshore drilling rigs, and petrochemical plants for monitoring and controlling critical processes. Mining. They control conveyor belts, crushers, hoists, and other machinery in mining operations to optimize production and ensure safety. Food processing, PLCs regulate temperature, mixing, filling, and packaging processes in food processing plants, maintaining quality and adhering to food safety standards. Pharmaceuticals, they are used in pharmaceutical manufacturing for precise control of processes like mixing, blending, filling, and packaging to ensure compliance with stringent regulatory requirements. Environmental monitoring, PLCs monitor and control environmental parameters in facilities such as clean rooms, research laboratories, and climate-controlled storage facilities. Automation in agriculture, PLCs automate irrigation systems, feeders, and climate control in greenhouses and large-scale agricultural operations, optimizing crop yield and resource efficiency. So viewer, this was all about the one of the PLC-operated process panel offered by Radical TechArt. Hope you liked the video and thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more product overviews and tech tips. See you next time.